Hello, this is my unboxing of the Lutran enhancing your mobile experience Alexo 6L ultra thin rugged case for iPhone 6 Plus. See, it has like 2 switchable cover bonus, shock resistant, turbo material, dust resistant. Let's see what this thing has. So it has a built-in screen protector, fully accessible fingerprint recognition sensor, front receiver microphone with water-resistant film, which I'm not gonna attempt to test. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna protect your phone if you drop it in your toilet bowl. It's only for like splashes of water, something like that. All right, hard inner case, iPhone 6 Plus. Soft bumper protection outer case, transparent black. So it has this instruction on how to install it. But for today, I'm just gonna do the unboxing. Let's see what's inside. I'm using one hand here. I'm gonna use my foot. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Oh. Ooh, you break it, you bought it. Wait, I bought it. Haha. Alright, there's 2 of them. So you get one white and one black. In my case, I have a white iPhone 6 Plus. So I'm gonna use the white version. So if you have the black, you get to use the black. Alright. Oh, okay. This one is rubber. You drop the phone, right? It should protect the sides of your phone, like all the sides. See, go. I'm pretty sure it's the same with the white. The white is just the screen part of it. Okay. Cool. Yeah, now here's the problem. My phone already has its own screen protector. Will it have issues? I don't know. We shall see, right?